Hello bakers! Today we're going to see how to make a delicious Halloween marble cake with chocolate and orange. It's simple to do and it looks fantastic. Separate the whites from the yolks. You add the powdered sugar. I put in about half of the powdered sugar. The melted butter that you will have let cool. I recommend using semi-salted butter, it's always better in chocolate cakes. Next, sift the flour, baking powder, and a pinch of salt straight into the batter for a smooth texture. We will prepare both batters at the same time, separating them only at the end. You add the milk. Mix it. Beat the egg whites until they are frothy, then gradually incorporate the remaining sugar as you continue to whip. Keep mixing. If you like the recipe, I'm counting on you to like the video. You know how important it is for me and my visibility. You can also subscribe to my channel, of course. Also, don't forget to click the little bell icon to get notifications for new videos. Once the meringue is well set, you will delicately incorporate it into the mixture with a spatula. Next, separate the dough into two parts. I put back the mixture into the bowl where I whipped my egg whites. In one of the containers, you will add cocoa powder without sugar, which you will fold in. And in the other bowl, add orange zest. If you dislike orange, it's optional. You could use liquid vanilla extract, and it will make a vanilla chocolate cake. Don't forget the orange gel. I always recommend the orange gel. I'll provide the details under the video. Then distribute the two batters into a 20 cm mold. You will ladle them in alternating colors, stacking them like this on top of each other. You'll see that each color sinks into the one before, creating a marbled look. Continue until both batters are used up and then pop it in the oven. You let the cake cool. In the meantime, you will prepare a frosting by melting chocolate and butter together. Pour it over the cake surface and use a spatula to spread it evenly. To decorate, I utilized a white chocolate pen. You can replicate this using a piping bag by filling it with melted white chocolate. And with a toothpick, I drew the lines of my spider web for a Halloween decoration. I placed a small sugar spider on top. I'll include all the materials and ingredients I used in the video description. Click the little plus. Let's see the inside. That's what matters. That has captured our interest from the start. Look, it's really nice. We have a beautiful marbled Halloween cake. It's not difficult to make, as you can see, and it's delicious too. This cake was delicious. I hope you will like it, and I'll see you soon for another recipe. Bye!